Imagine a truck so iconic that just one glance can transport you back to the golden age of American craftsmanship, where steel was thick, engines roared with pride, and every curve told a story. That truck is the 1957 Ford F-100, a machine that refuses to fade into history. What's up, everyone? Subscribe to my channel and buckle up, because today we're diving into one of the most iconic, unforgettable machines ever to roll out of American automotive history, the 1957 Ford F-100. This isn't just a truck, it's a rolling piece of culture, a symbol of grit, craftsmanship, and classic design that refuses to fade away. And in this video, I want to take you on a long, rich, cinematic journey through what makes the 57 F-100 so legendary, so valuable, and so obsessively adored by collectors, builders, and dreamers all over the world. So sit back, relax, and let the nostalgia sink in as we travel through time with one of the greatest pickups ever built. Imagine the year 1957. The post-war boom is thriving. America is growing fast. Highways are stretching farther, suburbs are expanding, and the pickup truck is beginning its journey from a farm tool to a personal icon. The Ford F-Series is already a familiar name, but something special happens in '57. Ford completely transforms the F-100 into a sleeker, smoother, more modern machine, known as the curved, rounded 1956 shape. In its place comes a bold new era, a lower, wider, more sculpted design with straight lines and a commanding presence. When you see a '57 F-100 today, even from across a parking lot or a car show, it doesn't whisper for your attention, it demands it. That front grille, that twin headlight stance, the steel slab sides, the unmistakable hood shape, everything about it feels deliberate and confident. The '57 F-100 represents a turning point, the first year of the third generation. Ford updated the chassis, widened the frame, and gave it more stability. The cab was bigger, the visibility improved, the interior modernized compared to earlier models. Under the hood, buyers could get the classic 223 cubic inch mileage maker inline 6 or Ford's powerful Y-block V8, which gave the truck real muscle. This wasn't just a workhorse anymore, it was a statement, and even now, decades later, that charm hasn't faded. But what makes the 1957 F-100 especially special today isn't just its looks or its engineering, it's what the truck represents. It's the golden age of American car culture. It's the memory of weekend cruises, toolbox rattles, and engines rumbling like thunder. It's the essence of freedom, of possibility, of mechanical honesty. People don't just restore these trucks, they pour their soul into them. They strip them down, rebuild them bolt by bolt, polish the chrome, and resurrect a piece of history that refuses to die. And here's the thing, no two '57 F-100s are ever the same. That's the beauty of a classic truck like this. One person might drop in a modern Coyote 5.0 engine for insane power and reliability. Someone else might keep the original straight six because they love the sound of old mechanical simplicity. Some builds become lowered street cruisers with air ride suspensions, deep dish wheels, and custom interiors wrapped in leather. Others stay rugged and original, keeping every scar and scrape as part of their story. Whether it's a full show truck dripping in pearl paint or a patina survivor that looks like it's lived 1,000 lives, the personality of each truck reflects the hands that restored it. Collectors know this truck very well, and they pay big money for the best ones. The 57660 F-100 generation has skyrocketed in value in recent years. Why? Because the design is timeless, because parts are still available, and because the truck has the perfect blend of vintage charm and modern upgrade potential. At auctions, a beautifully restored or heavily customized 1957 F-100 can go for jaw-dropping prices. When someone buys one, they're not just buying metal, they're buying history. They're buying a feeling. They're buying a dream they probably had since childhood. And let's talk about that emotional impact, because the '57 F-100 hits people in the heart in a way very few vehicles do. Maybe they saw their grandfather driving one. Maybe it was the truck parked in the neighbor's driveway that they always admired. Maybe it was the vehicle that helped build a family business or hauled lumber for a first home. These trucks weren't luxury toys when they were new, they were tools. They worked the fields, carried the loads, and traveled miles of dusty back roads. They earned their character. They earned their dents. They earned their legend. And when someone restores one today, they're not erasing the history, they're preserving it. Driving a 1957 F-100 is an experience modern vehicles can't duplicate. You turn the key, you pump the gas, the engine coughs, rumbles, and suddenly settles into that warm, raw idle. No computers, no traction control, no screens, just the driver, the machine, and the road. There's something powerful about that simplicity. You feel every vibration, every shift. Every mile, you're not just traveling, you're connecting with a living piece of mechanical art. Even the sound of the door closing is different. Modern cars thud. The F-100 clanks steel on steel the way vehicles used to be built. You sit higher than expected, gripping a big steering wheel that feels solid and purposeful. The wind whistles through the wing windows. The smell of gasoline and old vinyl fills the cab. Every moment feels intentional, and that's why the 57 F-100 continues to rise in popularity with filmmakers, photographers, and automotive creators. It has a cinematic presence. Park it in a field at sunset, and you instantly have a magazine cover. Put it in a video and watch the comments flood in. It's not just a vehicle, it's a character, a storyteller, a symbol. People customize these trucks in incredible ways. Some go full hot rod with chopped roofs, hidden hinges, and roaring V8s. Others build restomods with digital gauges, custom frames, and independent suspension. And yet others keep it stock, loving that slow, nostalgic charm. There's no wrong way to build a 57 F-100. As long as it stays true to itself, it's perfect. So if you're thinking about restoring one, buying one, or you simply love seeing these trucks out in the wild, remember this. The 1957 Ford F-100 is more than metal. It's a piece of American identity, a symbol of authenticity in a world that's moving too fast, a reminder that craftsmanship matters, that stories matter, that machines can have soul. And that's why this truck continues to dominate car shows, auctions, and social media. People crave that feeling of something real, something built with heart, something that stood the test of time. And the 1957 F-100 delivers that feeling like nothing else. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more videos on classic cars, restorations, builds, and automotive history, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. I've got more incredible content coming, and you won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.